Alright guys, this is the tutorial how to replace your D-pad. And so if you have a stock control panel like this one and your D-pad is not working properly, hopefully this video helps you out. And if it does, give me a thumbs up. So first things first, you're going to need a screwdriver. Remove the side rails and the front lockdown bar. Once you remove the side rails and the front lockdown bar, you're going to have to remove these 2 screws on each side, 4 screws. Once you remove those 4 Phillips screws, then this control panel will come out. But don't take it all the way out immediately because there's 2 cables you have to remove. This cable right here, you want to grab the cable and remove it. Don't pull on the wires because the wires will rip out of the connector. So if you grab the wires and try to tug on it, it will rip out. So what you want to do is just pinch, grab the connector like that, and then pinch, and then grab both sides and pull. And that's how you do it. Really easy. And then so you're going to need 2 sets of screwdrivers to replace the D-pad. Now I'm going to show you how to maintain the D-pad and also replace it if it's, really defective. So you're going to use a regular Phillips screwdriver and you're going to go ahead and remove it like that. There's 2 screws, 1, 2. Okay, and then you're going to use a mini screwdriver. Okay, and then you're going to have to remove 2 more screws. And these are for the board. And right here. And right here. So you remove that. I like to put the screws and keep them in there. But if you want to maintain this, if let's say for example you accidentally spilled soda in the D-pad on, some people put the soda can on the control panel and sometimes it spills and it gets into the D-pad and it corrodes these contacts. So what you do to fix that is you got these electronic spray right here, and then shoot it the contacts like that, and then grab the microfiber cloth and clean the contacts. All right. If it gets really bad, and sometimes you have to really deep clean it with something more abrasive, maybe like a, toothbrush or something like this. But anyway, this right here, you could do the same, and you just use this, clean the contacts. All right, and then that's how you maintain it and put it back together and see if it works. In this case, I'm going to show you how to replace it. That's just how to, maintain it in case someone spills soda in it. But you just replace it by removing this right here. So you get these parts like that. These screws go with that. Keep everything together. And so remove this screw right here. Remove this screw right here. And so when you remove these 2 screws right here, that will take this out just like that. And then you'll be able to take this front piece out. All right, and then to replace it, of course, you just do the opposite. And then you line this up just like that. Make sure it's lined up perfectly. And then you put this piece on next. Okay, and then you got these 2 screws right here that go and holds it into place. So this is the back plate and that's the front plate that we're screwing together. And that locks it onto the control panel. And don't over tighten because it's plastic and you can strip it out. And then this will drop into place just like that. And then this pad right here will line up on the peg and then just lay down just like that. It goes, here's the peg, here's the peg right there. Oh, and that's not sitting right because it's, I have to hold it up just like so, kind of like that. That should work. There we go. And so now we go ahead and put these screws on. Just snug, don't over tighten. And there we go. And then switch the screws. And then we replaced the D-pad, and everything should be working as it should. And of course, you want to go ahead and plug everything in just like before. And remember, there's 2 grooves right here, so it only fits in one way. And same thing go with this another notch right here, so it only plugs in one way. So if it's not working right, make sure you have it plugged in properly, put it back into place and test it out and health check and see if it works. And it should. All right, thanks for watching.